jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now...
Oh my God!
Hey guys, it's Blaize. And this is a pop-up giveaway. Yes, we're doing another giveaway for December. First of all, please excuse how I look. I'm hormonal because it's my feminine time, so I'm breaking out, but whatever. So the other day I was sent some PR from Juno and Co, and they sent me their Glam can. How adorable is this? It's a little bag shaped like a holographic can. So cute. On the back it says, "No BS or latex added, just pure glamour. Hashtag the Juno babe." It says that on the back, and when you open it up, you get this little thank you card. You get two different sponges. You get their velvet sponge, which is one of the things I'm giving away in my December giveaway. You get the fusion sponge, which is just the same thing, except it's a different shape, and it's actually a really cool shape. You get their, I love the smell of this. Like, I don't even want to use it because I love the smell of it. This is their Juno & Co. Clean Up Your Act Solid Cleansing Bar for the sponges or brushes, whatever you want to do. It smells like soap, but it also just smells so clean and refreshing and like cooling almost. I love it. And the last thing you get is their heavy duty copper beauty blender holder. I have my Real Techniques sponge in there at the moment. So you get all those things, which is a $28 value in the Glam can. But it's on sale right now for $22. So if you want to go down below, hit my affiliate link. You can get 10% off your very own Glam can. Like I said, $28 value, but they're doing $22 on sale for a limited time, so make sure to grab yours. But I got another PR package from them. They've been sending me lots of PR packages, and they sent me another Glam can, and the first thing that went into my mind, pop-up giveaway. So this wasn't planned at all, but I'm going to give you your very own Glam can with everything inside. Let me just open to show you that it has not been touched. Everything is inside, guys, and you can use this can for, like, I was thinking for hair barrettes, hair ties, something like that. You can put some of your makeup in there. It is so cool. So let's go into the rules for this giveaway. As always, you must be an active subscriber to this channel to win any of my free giveaways. So make sure your subscriptions are on public so I can verify. I do check to see if you are indeed subscribed. If you enter and you're not subscribed, then you will be eliminated. This is going to be US only. I'm so sorry for my Blazers over the seas and under the seas, but we're doing an international for my December giveaway. So look out for that. Or not look out for that. Check that video out. It's already up. I'll link it up in the cards and down in the description box below. If you are under the age of 18, you must have your parent or guardian's permission to enter this giveaway. Make sure to like this video and share this video on any public social media platform. I don't care what it is. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat. I don't care. Google Plus. I don't care where you share it, just as long as you share it. It can't be through personal texting. A couple of you have said you've sent a text through your friend and shared the video that way. I can't verify that. So it has to be something publicly on social media. This giveaway will start as soon as this video is posted and will end on December 29th. Last rule for this giveaway, all you have to do is comment down below, hashtag GlamCan. So good luck to everybody for this giveaway. This giveaway is amazing, and thank you to Juno & Co. for allowing me to do this. I love my Glam can, and I'm already using certain stuff inside of it. I'm gonna use all of it, but just look at how cute this is. I love and adore this. So good luck to everybody. Yeah, I will see you guys very, very soon. Until next time, my beautiful ones, stay wicked.